Hi dears, so I'm going to do a little short video just kind of giving you guys an update on what's been going on with Dark Tales. My phone is dying, so it can't be super long. I did also just get done doing a bunch of videos. I had a nice free day today, so I will be doing a lot of shorter videos. I know that my Japan haul was pretty long. It was like 10 minutes or more, but I'm doing a lot of like less than 10-minute videos just talking about like my first Lolita items that I've made or things like that. You know, what's in my closet sort of videos. So just because they're quick and they're easy, and you know, I can get some more ways to have some communication with the audience, and that's really what I've been missing, is being able to talk to you guys. So what's been going on with Dark Tales as of late is it has been delayed, unfortunately, a little bit. The progress for Volume 2 has been delayed. I did have a schedule set up, but I realized that I took on way more than I could handle, considering I already have E.T. Girl up, and that is a comic that has a very, it's growing, the audience base for that's growing on Webtoons, so I didn't want to neglect that. I don't want to neglect Dark Tales either, but what I am saying is that there's a bit of delay on creating Dark Tales Volume 2. A part of it, if I'm being honest, is that I was working a full-time job, and that was really challenging to do full-time, plus be making 2 comics, and I'm also working on music in my free time as well. So what I'm trying to do is kind of get back on schedule with that. The videos have kind of helped inspire me to get back into the swing of things. For anyone who is interested, I have a Twitch now set up where I will be doing some live videos of me working on E.T. Girl as well as Dark Tales and some other things, just working on my art. So if you want to check out my Twitch, it's going to be The Planet's Dreamer will be the username for Twitch, and I'll put a link, I guess, for that as well. But I do need to come up with maybe a schedule so when people know when I'll be on Twitch. I was thinking about doing it for an hour between like 7 and 8, but I've noticed recently that I've been doing it between 10 and 11, so that's going to change hopefully to being at between like 7 and 8. But yeah, I just wanted to be honest with you guys about it, that it's been hard lately between just trying to juggle everything that's been going on. I've just been trying to just tap in with myself, you know what I mean? Try to get more productive and things like that, because I have so many good ideas for the second volume that I didn't even get to put in the first one, and it would just be a wasted, to me it would just be a wasted if I didn't get to the chance to do it. So that is something that is still in production and will be getting completed. It's just on a bit of a delay right now. So that's what's been happening recently. Make sure that if you want to know what I've been doing with the majority of my time, because I know that this page has been on or off with how much I post. I do post a lot more on my Instagram and my Twitter, and the Twitter is also at The Planet Streamer, and the Instagram is Kimba Darling. I do post a lot more on those. It's just a lot easier. It's a lot quicker. So if you want to see what I'm doing more often, looking at any of my The Planet Streamer content will be showing you a lot more of what I do. My Webtoons gets updated every Friday with for E.T. Girl, and I'm learning how to do like longer updates because people do seem to like those a lot more. So if you want to read that on Webtoons, so you know that I'm not dead, that I'm not dead and gone, while waiting for Dark Tales to be completed, you can check that out. I know it's not Lolita related to look at E.T. Girl. It is more sci-fi related, so that is your preference if you want to look at that. But I will be having more Lolita related content coming out, whether that's on my Twitch or things like that. But yes, the most amount of audience interaction you're going to get from me is Instagram. So make sure you check me out on there, and if you have any like Lolita horror stories you'd like to share in the comments on here, or if you want to hit me up, if you want to private message me on my Instagram or something, if you don't want to leave it in the comments, you can do that too. I think it would help motivate me not to hear like bad things that happen to people, because I don't like it when bad things happen to people, but you know, maybe something where like it seemed kind of crazy then and now it's just kind of funny, like can be laughed about now, that kind of stuff, you know. I think it'll help motivate me. So, you know, if not, I'll do plenty of research and figure out some ways to kind of get myself back into the swing of things. But that's what's been going on lately. And please check out my YouTube channel. I think it's just Kim Darling. I'm going to be posting a lot more on there soon. I think I've gotten about 5 or 6 videos in the works, and they're not going to take that long to edit like they did with my Japan haul ones. So I think I'm going to probably post weekly, maybe twice a week or at least once a week, those videos, and I'll be sharing them on here and things like that. So make sure you check out my YouTube video, and I'm going to see if I can just really work on that as well. I've been having trouble deciding between Twitch and YouTube what would be better. For the live stuff, it seems to work well for Twitch, but yes, check that out if you want to see Lolita related content. There will be plenty of videos about that, and some of them are pretty horrific. Things like my first jumper skirt I ever made, or my first skirt I ever made, they're pretty horrendous. Like, now that I look at them, the skirts are, it doesn't help that they've been in storage so they're all wrinkly, but those are pretty eye-opening, you know, when you see like stuff from 5 years ago and how, like, you know, how time has changed. So yeah, that is what's been going on lately, and I hope to talk to you guys again soon. Thank you for watching this video, and have a darling day. Oh, someone else wanted to say goodbye. Bye! Bye!